Hey everyone, Redzer from ICYMI here, and welcome back to another episode of ICYMI. DJI's Mavic 3 drone got its full design and specs leaked just days before the launch event, including the bundles that will be available. In other news, the Poco M4 Pro 5G has officially been confirmed and will launch November 6th. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. After months of speculation, DJI's Mavic 3 drone design and specs have been leaked just days before the launch event in November 5th. There are going to be 3 different bundles available: the Mavic 3, Mavic 3 Combo, and the Mavic 3 Cine Premium. The Mavic 3 will feature a 20 megapixel Hasselblad camera. It'll be capable of shooting 5.1K footage at 50 FPS, 4K footage at 120 FPS, and 1080p at 200 FPS. There's also a secondary 12 megapixel camera with a 15-degree FOV capable of shooting 4K at 30 FPS. The standard Mavic 3 model will come with 8GB of internal storage and up to 2TB of expandable storage via microSD. The biggest thing fans are excited about is the battery, coming in at 5,000 mAh, offering 46 minutes of flight time. This is much better than the 34 minutes you would get with a Mavic Air 2. They'll also offer a Fly More bundle that comes with additional accessories for your drone. The Mavic 3 Cine will support ProRes video and have 1TB of internal storage. The pricing will probably be similar to the Mavic 2, starting at $1,600 USD, which is about 6,600 ringgit. After a 3-year hiatus, Palm is finally back with a new product. Meet the Palm Buds Pro, TWS earbuds with ANC. Palm used to make PDAs and was acquired by HP and TCL previously. Palm has been dormant for a while, but they surprised us all by coming back with the Palm Buds Pro. The Palm Buds Pro are in-ear TWS earbuds with silicone tips. They offer ANC and feature 3 microphones on each bud. They also provide environmental noise cancelling, which is like ANC but for your voice. They're equipped with 10mm drivers and come with an ambient mode as well. In terms of battery life, the Buds Pro can reach 4.5 hours with ANC on and 5.5 hours with ANC off. Also, the Buds are IPX4 water and sweat resistant. The Buds Pro retail at about 530 ringgit, but right now they're about 410 ringgit as part of a launch promotion. Palm is also offering a bundle that includes the earbuds, a silicone case, a carabiner clip, and colored earbuds for 114 USD, which is about 473 ringgit, with a retail price of 154 USD, which is about 639 ringgit. They're available now on their website, with shipping starting early November. Onto more DJI news, the Action 2 is finally revealed. This is the successor to the Osmo Action camera. Instead of going for a GoPro-ish design, DJI is going for a more modular approach. The camera itself weighs just 56 grams and has a thickness of 22.3 millimeters. Behind the camera, it comes with a 1.76-inch touchscreen display. It's also waterproof up to 10 meters, and you can go up to 60 meters deep when you use a waterproof case. The standalone camera comes with a 580 mAh battery, which is rated up to 70 minutes on a single charge. However, you can attach additional modules to extend the operating time to 180 minutes. The DJI Action 2 is capable of recording 4K videos up to 120 FPS or 12 megapixel stills. It boasts a wide 155-degree field of view and comes with DJI's image stabilizer technology. The Action 2 can shoot slow-mo at 240 FPS at 1080p or 120 FPS in 4K resolution. Internally, it has 32GB of storage, and you can add a microSD card up to a maximum of 256GB. The base Action 2 Pro combo is officially priced at 1999 ringgit. Meanwhile, the Action 2 dual screen combo is priced at 2499 ringgit and comes with even more accessories. Both combos are available for purchase on Lazada and Shopee. Poco has officially announced that they'll be launching the M4 Pro 5G next month. That's pretty much all they said though, with no mention of specs or price yet. According to a Geekbench result, the Poco M4 Pro 5G will come with a MediaTek Dimensity 810 SoC and was mated to 8GB of RAM. However, previous leaks have indicated a 4GB RAM option too. Another listing claimed a possible 6 and 12GB RAM option as well. The storage of the phone is rumored to go up to 512GB. Other rumored specs include a 6.6-inch display, a 4,900 mAh battery, and 33-watt fast charging. Alright, that's it for me today. If you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe to ICYMI for more videos, hit the notification bell icon if you don't want to miss any future videos, follow our TikTok, and I'll see you next time. Bye!